What if you could build professional AI tools in minutes without touching a single line of code? Amorph Plugin Maker. AI just changed the game for creators and freelancers. Amorph Plugin Maker.AI is a no-code platform that lets you build, customize, and deploy AI-powered tools instantly. Perfect for creators, freelancers, and small business owners who want to leverage AI without hiring developers. It connects to popular AI models and integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Start by signing up and choosing your AI model. Select your tool type: chatbots, content generators, or analyzers. Customize prompts, set parameters, and define outputs. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it effortless. Freelancers use it to automate client deliverables. Content creators build custom writing assistants. Small businesses deploy customer service bots. You can charge clients for AI-powered services without infrastructure costs. It's essentially a revenue generator disguised as productivity software. Amorph offers free and premium plans starting around $29 a month. For most creators and freelancers, the value is immediate. If you're selling AI services or want to streamline workflows, this tool pays for itself. Start building today and unlock new income streams. Ready to build your first AI tool? Like this video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and comment which tool you'd create first.